Hey, it's Steve. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to make some parallel compression on a kick drum to get this house beat sounding from here to here. Heavier, deeper, louder kick. How do we get there? All right, let's start it off. We've got 3 buses, so kick and sub, drum beats, and instruments. There's the kick and the sub, but we're not going to do anything extra on here. What I'm doing is I have one track going into the return. So my kick drum on track 1 is going into return D, which is called parallel. And this one has a rack called the drum polisher, which you can use for a stereo drum mix, or I tried it out with only a kick drum by itself. Let me flip through some of these macro variations to hear the presets. There's a bypass preset, so you can just start from a blank slate if you want to use this rack. Turn this up a little bit. Kick subtle. Kick heavy. Kick deep, it's getting kind of nasty. Kick dark. Kick crush. And kick smash. Now, that might not sound like the kick drum you want in your track, but listen to what happens when we take this smashed version and blend it in with the other one, okay? So there's just our kick and our beats with the sub bass boop. Here comes the parallel version. You hear that low end tail? Heavier, deeper, louder. And again, the parallel version shouldn't really sound good by itself. It's like, oh, what are you doing to your kick drum? But somehow when you blend that in, it sounds really good. And that is the process of parallel compression. You make a copy of your sound, squash it, crush it, distort it, mangle the crap out of it, and somehow when you blend it back in, it's like, that just sounds juicier. I like parallel compression a lot. It's a lot of fun. And all I had to do to get here was create one more return track, put an effects unit on it. This one is called the drum polisher, which has some audio engineering tools at hand where you can use them. And then I just take the send knob, turn it up to send a copy of track 1 over to this effects unit where I can mangle it with these presets and then blend it back in with the whole track to make it sound like this. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, drop a comment, follow, and subscribe to Mix a Texture for more tips like this. And if you're interested in the drum polisher effects unit, there's a link around here where you can grab it. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Knotts. See you next time.